Motegi, it is absolutely over the moon. Ayagura wins the 2022 Moto2 Grand Prix of Spain. Sonkya Chantra wins race 2 in Sepang, Asia Talent Cup champion. The first ever Thai Grand Prix victory for Sonkya Chantra. And the 15-year-old Japanese rider wins the 2015 Shell Advance Asia Talent Cup to Sasaki. What a race! Sasaki with a maiden podium in Grand Prix racing.
The Shell Advance Asia Talent Cup title in 2014 for Kaito Toba.
Absolute jubilation for Kaito Toba, the first Japanese rider to win in the Moto3 World Championship. Onchu gets fourth and he's the champion. Here comes Onchu though. It's so close. Photo finish. Fontia does it. Brilliant race. Onchu second.